Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all well. So today's video is going to be a different kind of vlog, and I'm going to start this video with a question, and it is, what is self-care? So what does self-care mean to you? So for me, I believe self-care is a personal journey, and what works for one person may not work for another. So it is very important to find what works for you in terms of self-care. Self-care is a practice of taking care of yourself, and this is very important to maintain your physical, mental, emotional well-being. It involves engaging in, for example, activity. For some, physical self-care could be exercising, eating healthy, sleeping well, good hygiene, going for medical checkups. In terms of mental self-care, it could be for some form of mindfulness, journaling, or therapy. And then there could be emotional self-care, and this could be spending time with loved ones, doing your favorite hobby, relaxing. So overall, self-care is very important, as this can help in terms of stress levels, anxiety levels. It can improve your mood, self-esteem, boost your energy. It enhances productivity and also just strengthens you as a person. So as I said before, try and find out what you can do to help improve your self-care, and what do you do personally to improve your self-care. So that's all I wanted to drop before I start this vlog, and I hope you guys are all well, and I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. Hi guys, happy Sunday. So I'm just starting this vlog now. So I am off work for a couple of days, and I'm so grateful for, because honestly I need that break. So I'm off work for 5 days actually. So this is my second day off work, so I still have 3 more days off. And then I have 4 sets of shifts, which is long days. Right now I've just finished church, and I'm going to Asda now to do some shopping, and then also maybe TK Maxx as well. Hi guys, so I'm gonna do some unboxing. So I think I showed you bits and bobs that I got today. So I got this Vaseline today. So I got this from Asda today. I've not tried this one, to be honest. And I got this one because I want to put it in my work bag, and it means I don't need to dip into like the little Vaseline tin. I can just easily put this on my lips. I also got some hand cream because I'm constantly washing my hands at work and my hands are always dry. So I got this one. Hopefully it's good. I've not tried this one before. And then I've got a few things to unbox. So I realized when I went on holiday, I got a charm for one of my bracelets, but I've actually not unboxed it, to be honest. So I'm going to unbox it now actually. I got this when I went to... Where did I go to again? Oh yeah, I went to Spain. So I went to Malaga and I got a little charm, which I'll unbox for you right now. Okay, let me go for it. let's open this up. This is like massive. Really was very impressive. I ordered it literally like, let's say 4 p.m. and it came by 9 p.m. Very impressive. Ooh, from this view actually. If you guys can see, I've got this. So I actually got a suturing kit so I can practice at home. This will be handy to practice. So it comes with a mesh or a silicone pad. It has a needle holder. It's got some surgical scissors, some forceps, mosquito forceps, a scalpel, blade, and then some suturing. Let me just open it up for you guys so you can see. Let's have a look. It's quite cool actually. So that's number one. So I got this gel nail polish. So I want to do my nails because they look horrible right now. So I'll do that today as well. So I got this brand. I'm not sure if it's good. First time trying them. Let me actually open it up. Oh, okay. Apparently there's 6 nail polish in here. Oh, there is actually. See how this one looks like. Oh, there's 2 bottles in here. So it seems like one is a base and the other one's a top coat. And then we've got a top coat. Nice. Okay, I'll be using this today. First, let's move this out of the way. To be fair, I'm a bit skeptical getting this actually because these horror stories of UV lights and all of that. Okay. It would have been nice if the wire was a bit longer, but let's have a look. Because my socket is quite. Let's have a look. Is it that long? Not too bad. So it goes this way around. Hi guys, I hope you guys are all well. So I'm literally off to the GP because I'm going to get my cervical screening test done. Sorry. I'm going to get my cervical screening test done, but I'm running a little bit late, so I've got 15 minutes to get to the GP. I need to try and find parking as well. So once I'm done, I'm going to actually talk to you guys about cervical screening test. I've literally just parked. I really pray to God I don't get a parking ticket. So this screening has to be real quick. Hi guys. So before I head home, I just wanted to talk about cervical screening tests. So I've literally just finished my cervical screening test. And I thought this is a great chance to actually create awareness of cervical screening tests, because I know a lot of people shy away of actually attending a cervical screening appointment or booking that appointment. So in the UK, we have a cervical screening program. This program is open for women, or should I say people who have a cervix. Part of the screening, what you do is you usually get invited when you're 25. Some people get invited before they're actually 25, so maybe a couple months before they're 25 they might get an invitation to book their cervical screening test, usually between the ages of 25 to about 49. So 25 to 49 you get invited every 3 years, and then once you turn 50, between the ages of 50 and 64, you then are seen every 5 years. So usually you get this invitation, you book an appointment with your GP, and then this test is conducted. This cervical screening test can be done by a nurse practitioner, a nurse in a GP clinic. It can be done in a hospital. What they do is you definitely have to be bare below, so you'd have to remove your clothing down below. They make sure that you're in an appropriate position in order for them to see your cervix. I might put a picture of a cervix here, obviously an image, not an actual cervix, an image to show you what they usually be able to see. Geeky Medics have a really good video, so I might put a link down below just in case, so you guys can see usually how the screening takes place. So they'll check your cervix. So they'll use a speculum. So what a speculum does is it opens the cervix. So there's a type of instrument which I'll show you here. Just to let you know, if you want a smaller speculum, you can actually request it from the GP, like to tell them that you would actually like a smaller speculum. Maybe that'll make it more comfortable for you. So this speculum is an instrument which is inserted, rotated, and then they open it up to be able to see the cervix. So once they can clearly see the cervix, they have some form of swab which they rotate about 5 times or so around the cervix, and then that's what the sample that they send off, and it gets tested. So pretty much the cervical screening test is used to check if it's positive or negative for HPV virus, so the human papilloma virus, and also to check the cells, to check if the cells are normal or abnormal when they take the samples. If it's negative, there's no issues. You just have to come to your next screening test. So for example, if it's the next 3 years, if you're between the age of 25 and 49, you just come in 3 years time. If you're between the ages of 50 and 64, then you just come in 5 years time. That's if your test is negative, there's no issue. So there's no abnormal cells and it's not positive for HPV, so you've got a negative result. In a case where it's positive, then they would guide you on what to do. They'll guide you whether they need to repeat the test in a couple months, or if you have to come in to do further imaging, and they'll usually use an instrument, what they call colposcopy, if they feel that you're at high risk. I hope that explains it. Well, I hope I really explained that properly for you. I'm trying not to use a lot of medical jargon, so hopefully everybody that watches this video will be able to understand whether you're in the medical field or not. So that's the whole purpose of me actually doing this video. Yeah, so hopefully that sums it up. So I'm going to end this vlog here actually. I hope you guys actually enjoyed this vlog. I hope you found this video insightful. I hope this is a video actually giving awareness, giving you a sign to make your health your priority. And also, this video is for myself too. You find out that you see a lot of doctors who are very bad patients. So I've been off work for a couple of days, and my goal or my aim was to make sure that I do what I call a self-care. And self-care doesn't necessarily have to mean that you'd always have to get your hair done, get your nails done. Sometimes it could just be relaxing, having a good sleep. Because what I find out, a lot of people were stuck into this 9 to 5, 8 to 5, or this work life where when we have health issues, we normally just push it away. And rather than, there might be early signs, but we ignore these signs. I'm hoping this video is for me to let you guys know if you have any issues. This is not even related to cervical screening, etc., but in general, if you do have early signs of, for example, back pain or just unusual things, please go and see your GP. Please go and seek medical attention, especially if it's going on for a long time. I think it's better to check than just to ignore the signs, because most times these things could be early signs or things that could potentially be a big thing in the future. So before I end this vlog, this month, October, is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and it's a chance for us to increase awareness of breast cancer, encourage people to go for screening, do self-examination, seek medical attention if they have any signs of breast cancer, and hopefully to promote early detection. It's also a chance for us to provide more support to people with breast cancer and also supporting research. So this is the end of my video. I think this is a good way to just end it here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. So yeah, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.